Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Albondigas soup. Alright, the next ingredient for our great soup, Albondigas soup, is bell pepper. Okay. What I like to do, you can go across like this if you'd like and then seed it. I like to cut it down lengthwise, just right down the middle, just like that. And this leaves the ribs and the seeds right here for you, and then all you need to do is just pull that right out like that, and that takes all your seeds out. And these have already been washed nicely, so make sure you do that ahead of time. These happen to be organic too, so no pesticides in this. And then the easiest way I find to cut these is, I like to use this side up. This side gets a little slippery for your knife. I like to use it on this side, and as you can see, you cut it into strips like this. Now it's very large because remember this is soup, so you're going to get a lot of flavors in each bite. So you don't have to dice it too finely, but not too coarse either. I would just go something like this. Just go crossways. And as you see, we're getting a nice sort of medium dice out of it. Nothing too fine, nothing too coarse.